Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how you can get it approved for a credit card, and they can actually pre-qualify you so they can tell you if they can give it to you without a hard inquiry. But how you can get approved for a credit card even if you have bad credit. So if you want to get this credit card and you have bad credit, definitely stick around because I'm going to tell you exactly how you can actually get it. Now if this is your first time watching the video, hi, my name is Rickita. I kind of lost my voice, but I kind of think it's coming back. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. I talk about health, I talk about fitness, I talk about credit, I talk about home buying. So if you guys are looking to learn about any of those things, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you ever have any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments. I make sure I skim through the comments and I check and see what comments I have, and then that's how I decide to make more videos to you guys. So if you have a question about a company or just a question in general, go ahead and drop it down in the comments and I'll be sure to answer it. Now, I've been seeing this credit card on my radar for a while. I believe I made a video on this before. I believe I did, but I want to make sure I make another video because I see a lot of people talking about this credit card. So I want to make sure I made another video about this company. Now, this credit card is the Destiny Mastercard. So this credit card can actually pre-qualify you. They can pre-qualify you for this credit card. So that means they can let you know yes or no if you can get this credit card without actually pulling your actual credit report. Now, I don't know exactly who they're going to pull. Like, I did a lot of research trying to figure out who exactly they're going to pull, and I honestly just don't know. If you guys apply for this credit card, definitely go ahead and put in the comments so other people can know about it. But for a credit card like this, if they can pre-qualify you, I don't care who they're going to pull. Try to see what they can pre-qualify you for, or see if they can pre-qualify you at all, and then you decide if you want to get that or not. Because they can pre-qualify you, that means if they did a soft pull to your credit report anyway, and then they said, yep, we could possibly give you a credit card. So hopefully somebody put in the comments, but if not, then go ahead and see if you can pre-qualify for it. Now, don't forget, you don't have to put a deposit down this credit card, so it is definitely unsecured. So I see people, when they apply for this credit card, they usually get approved for like $500, but you guys can possibly get approved for more. But you guys just have to see what you guys can actually pre-qualify you for. Now, I honestly, the thing I don't like about this credit card and a lot of credit card companies is that they are going to charge you up to $99 for your annual fee. And to me, that's just too much money, you guys. I don't want you to pay annual fees at all unless you get major rewards. Like, you know, like this is not American Express credit card. Like, it's not Amex credit cards. You guys are not getting rewards like that. So I wouldn't want you guys to get approved for a $500 credit card and you're paying a $99 annual fee. Like, that's not cute. But a lot of people searching for this, a lot of people talking about this, so I decided to make this video. But I do want to tell you guys, I don't like that, and I don't think that you guys should jump on something like that. Now, if you guys are going to say, Rickita, but I need a credit card, I need to build my credit, then what I want you guys to understand is if you're going to pay $99 for an annual fee or whatever you're going to pay for your annual fee, you might as well just pay $200 and get a secure credit card, because that secure credit card is going to help you more than this credit card will any day. Because think about it like this: when you get that secure credit card, like you can get a secure credit card. Let me give an example. You get a secure credit card with Navy Federal, right? So Navy Federal have a secure credit card you guys can sign up for. You guys can get a $200 credit card with them, secure credit card, and in 6 months, they're going to increase that to a $2,000 credit card, which is already more than the $500 that they're going to possibly give you for this credit card. And look, they're going to give you your $200 back. They're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, just like this company will also, but you're not going to have that annual fee. So you're not going to have an annual fee. Your $200 is going to increase to $2,000, and you guys can grow with the credit union. You guys can get more credit cards with them. You guys can get auto loans, mortgages. They have so much more to offer. But when you get the Destiny Mastercard, this is it. They really don't have much to offer you, and a lot of people say don't look to get an increase. They're not really giving out increases, so that's something that you guys may want to look into. Now, also, if you guys are willing to pay that $99, not only do you have Navy Federal, it's other cards you guys can get, but try to see if they can pre-qualify you too. So I know you guys wanted this credit card, but Navy Federal can probably pre-qualify you for their regular credit card, and when they pre-qualify you, they probably can give you $1,000 or $2,000 to start off with, but you just don't know. So go ahead and see what they can pre-qualify you for. They probably can pre-qualify you for more without actually give you that hard inquiry. But like I said too, it's other companies you guys can apply for if you have to get a secure credit card. So go ahead and check out Capital One. Capital One, if you guys had a bankruptcy before, they still forgiven. They can still give you a credit card, and they can pre-qualify you for that credit card. So I really like that. And if they can pre-qualify you, they can pre-qualify you for a credit card where you guys are not going to have annual fees too. Like their platinum credit card, they don't have any annual fees on their platinum credit card. Now they do have annual fees on a Quicksilver credit card, but with their Quicksilver credit card, you guys, you're going to get 1.5% cash back. And with the Destiny credit card, you're not going to have anything at all. Like you're not getting any type of reward. So keep that in mind. And if they say that, if Capital One said that you have to get a secure credit card, you guys, at some point we got to grow up. Like seriously. I see this a lot with people. At some point, you got to grow up and say, you know what? Let me start off with a secure credit card. As I build my credit more, I'll get other credit cards. So you may want to just go ahead and get that secure credit card that they're offering you. Because with Capital One, their secure credit card is going to graduate in 6 months anyway. So that means that if you have to get a secure credit card for $200, then hopefully it's going to graduate in 6 months because you're keeping your balance low, you're paying your bills on time, you're building your credit outside of just with this credit card company right here. You're doing more to make sure that you're increasing your credit score, and they're going to graduate that in 6 months. So you're going to go from that $200 credit card to a $500 credit card. I know y'all heard the little ones in the background, but I have a busy week and I got to get these videos out for you guys. Like we have to just deal today, but you guys can actually graduate with that credit card. So I really like that. In 6 months you can get a regular credit card, and you can have that $200 at first, but it can go to $500, which is just exactly what the Destiny Mastercard is going to give you. But you're not going to have those horrible annual fees. And like I said too, they can pre-qualify you, so definitely check them out. Now the next credit card I want to talk to you guys about is the Discover credit card. Again, they have their secure credit card. In 7 months this one is going to graduate. They'll give you your money back, and then they're going to graduate your credit card. So make sure you just keep your balance low. Make sure you're paying your bills on time. Don't have any new negative accounts added to your credit reports. Like that is really hurting a lot of people when they have those new negative accounts. Sign up for my exclusive membership if you have any negative accounts to start off with. Like for real, sign up for my exclusive credit membership. I'll teach you guys how to remove it. I'll help you guys remove those negative accounts. But sign up for it. It's $1 trial to sign up for the first 7 days. Like sign up. Let's see what's going on. Let's schedule a call and see what's going on. But don't have any new negative accounts. And these credit cards are going to graduate. Now, I don't like to talk about this credit card company because they have high fees just like the Destiny Mastercard, but I'm going to just throw it out there. And if they can give you a credit card without an annual fee, you jump on it. Or if you like, Rickita, I don't care what you're talking about, I'm still getting Destiny Mastercard, then you might want to try to get this credit card too. And I figure I'll just throw it out there just in case you want to get it. So that credit card is going to be the Credit One bank credit card. They have credit cards they can pre-qualify you for. It is going to be an Experian hard pull, but if you guys need to get credit cards, I don't know what your business, what you got going on, then you may want to try to see what credit card they can give you, because they can tell you exactly how much they can actually give you. Now they're going to want you to have your monthly income, so calculate that correctly, you guys. A lot of people put the wrong thing in and it just messes up their application, but make sure you guys are calculating that correctly. But try to see if they can give you a credit card. Now there are so many different companies that you guys can definitely apply for. If you guys ever have any questions, schedule a call with me. Let's talk. Let's see what you got going on. Let's see what we got to do to actually increase your credit score so you guys can get approved for these different credit cards. But if a credit card company say that they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, definitely try to jump up on it. See what's going on. See what they can actually pre-qualify you for. But thank you guys for definitely watching this video. If you guys like this video, I know that you guys probably like my other videos, so definitely check out these other videos. And don't forget, schedule a call, you guys. Let's talk. And don't forget, sign up for my exclusive credit membership. It's only $1 trial to go ahead and start. See you guys in the next video.